Hello, my name is Tenea Fabray, and I am the National Sales Consultant for Drums and Percussion here at West Music, and today we're talking about ocean drums, a versatile, fun, and exciting way to bring the sound of the ocean into your classroom. The ocean drum is named for its ability to recreate the sounds of the sea. You can tilt it around slowly to create the calming effect of gentle waves. Or you can tilt it around quickly to create the crashing roar of the sea. And it's not just about sound. The beads inside provide a captivating visual and tactile experience, making it a multi-sensory tool perfect for engaging young learners. Ocean drums are the perfect fit for your classroom. You can use them while reading a book to create an immersive experience, or you can let your students explore how the ocean drum creates its sound. You and your students will love the variety that it brings to your percussion collection. You can see our collection of ocean drums, world drums, and percussion at westmusic.com or at a convention or workshop near you.